Today, I want to introduce you to 6 Mile Creek in Waunakee, Wisconsin. This neighborhood has so much to offer, including parks, shopping areas, and a golf course right across the street. And just a 10-minute walk, you'll find yourself here at the new Grace Coffee Company located off of the main drag of Waunakee. The top floor is a cute little boutique and the bottom floor is Grace Coffee Company. This is truly a bed and breakfast environment. Grace Coffee Company takes pride in their coffee by sourcing the beans from all around the globe and roasting it locally, ready for you to take that first sip of happiness. While coffee is my jam, let's not overlook their diverse food menu, featuring everything from breakfast wraps, my personal favorite, to acai bowls, ensuring there's something for everyone. And keep in mind that this is just around the corner from this amazing listing. You won't believe what's inside. The home is completely remodeled and ready for you to move in. Walking in, you will notice the high ceilings leading into the open floor plan with one of the larger backyards in the neighborhood. The kitchen has all new appliances, upgraded countertops, and an open pantry. Next, I want to show you something not everyone is lucky to have, and that is an island in your closet. Next, let's jump to the basement where you will see another bedroom, rec room, and of course, a wet bar for entertaining. Thank you so much for touring 6 Mile Creek in Waunakee, Wisconsin. This house is truly spectacular. If you would like to book a private showing, please reach out to me. Otherwise, like this video and subscribe on my YouTube channel to be one of the first people to know about our latest listings. See you next time.